Hello everyone. Today we're gonna do range sum of BST. So it's gonna be it's not gonna be a hard complex question, but I'm really trying to understand this question and explain it to my best of capability because a lot of good companies are asking this question. So we already know what a BST is. It's when the left subtrees are lower or less, the value is always lower, and then the right subtree is greater than the current value. So 15, 18, blah, blah, blah. This is a valid BST. That's the definition. But given the root node of a binary search tree and two integers low and high, return the sum of values of all within the inclusive range of low and high. So we're getting the range low and high. And all you need to do is for this input, 10, 5, whatever, your range is given here, low and high. So you're inclusive for 7 to 15. That's your range, simple. So whatever numbers that are between those numbers and including those numbers, you add it to a sum. We just literally create a variable of a sum, you add it. And nodes, as you can see for the explanation, nodes 7, 10, 15 are all added because they are inclusive and they are all between all the other numbers are in between those values. So you add them into a sum variable and we return it. That's simply all. And you guys know, if you guys watched my channel, what's it called? BFS. We're gonna use BFS, my favorite. For traversing trees, we're gonna use BFS. Okay. So I think the first step, because I walked through solving this question, I'm gonna comment a lot. So first step, we are just going to put all the nodes in range in a sum variable. The nodes will be x. You know what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to be like, if it's between these numbers. That's just how I remember it. I don't know if that's right, but anyways, it will be inclusive. First step, set a sum variable. So int sum equals 0. That's our sum variable, if you guys understand so far. And first step, base case, is with all, if you want to return if it's empty. So if is null, which is empty, all we're gonna do is return 0. So we return what's it called, sum, because it's empty right now. Cool. Now is our favorite part of BFS. We are going to basically create a queue, because we're not doing this iteratively. We're going to use a queue. So queue tree node. I'm going to process tree nodes. Queue equals new linked list. Cool. So that's the first step. Then we're going to process what we have, and we're going to process the root. Cool. That's all we're doing. Add root. That's the part. So, and to get all the nodes in an iteration, we're going to say while q is not empty. It's empty. So while it's not empty, you want to process the first one. So we're going to create a current variable that gets the node that we're currently at. So q.remove. Cool. And so q.remove. So what here we want to do, if this is the conditions we have to put, if cure.val, because we have this low and high. If cure.val is less, actually no, let's say greater than or equal to, what are you? Low, okay, and cure.val is less than or equal to high. We just literally want to sum plus equals cure.val because it gets the current values that we're at. Cool. Sum plus equals. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to process left and right. We're going to process left and right. So processing left and right would be if what are you, cure.left? Cure.left does not equal null. And cure.val is less. This is for the edge case, less than equal to low q to add cure.left. Cure to and is it cure.left or cure.add? I mean cure.val. I want to see how this gets tested. If cure.right does not equal null and cure.val is greater than or equal to, so it's too high, then q.add sorry, recursively dot right side. Does that make sense? And then turn sum. So I need a comment. So process while it's not empty. Get first one in between range. Get the vowels. Manage cases. I think this should be the answer. Why is this not the answer? What's wrong? Cure dot left. If cure does not equal right. Give me 1 second. My bad. I messed up my signs. I meant to say greater and less. This is just if it's the values are greater or less than without the equal sign. It will just process each side. So this should be the correct answer. Yeah, this should be the correct answer. But yeah, it's not too hard. 14%. 96. But yeah, this is the answer. It's not too bad. Thanks.